Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to guide you about how we can create a professional CV for our application of scholarships or any other job related to our profession. As we all know that CV is one of the very important factor for the selection of particular vacancy or targeted job. So if you have a professional CV, your chances of getting hired or being called for the interview will be maximum. So today I am here to guide you about the problem which will optimize and help you in CV making procedure because CV is one of the most important and guiding uh, things that you need to prepare after your graduation for seeking of job. So one of the application that is created by Europe and it is monitored by one of the top organization of the Europe whose name is Europass and I am going to guide you through it. So if you want to make because in the Europe there are many organizations that will only accept the CV that is being made by this application. So I am going to guide you through this one. So in the Google, just type europa.eu. Don't worry, I will give you link in the description below where you can download and make your new CV. So this and then enter. After that, you will be guided in the new website called Europass European Union. So in that, go to the Europass CV and just click on continue. I accept cookies. And then go to create new CV. So here we can see that uh, you can just skip this one and then go through this. If you want to keep the photo, then you can simply go to edit and then you can select your desirable photo from your device and which should be in the format of PNG, JPG having the side limit of 20 MB. So you can keep your profile picture of your CV from here and then you can simply fill your personal informations like first name, last name, and about me. If you wanna say something about I am a hardworking guy, like that stuff, so some sort of motivation later, then you can keep that. Your date of birth, your gender, your nationality, your contact address, all you can uh, keep it in here. So just click OK, and after clicking that, all the informations that you have written there will be in here. For an instance, I have not written anything, so let me write something. Date, I'm gonna write it haphazardly. So gender, male or female, or your nationality, something, your email address, and if you're gonna write each and everything, then it will be displayed here like this, as you can see in the screen. So after that, you can go to add new section and then select the section type. In the section type, at first you can add your work experience, add section, and in the work experience then you can write the title of the occupation. Suppose you are a site engineer, then you can simply write site engineer, and an employer means which construction company that you are working for. Suppose I am writing it as X, Y, and Z, and in which city and in which country you are working. Suppose it's in Denmark, then from to the duration of the work that you have been engaged in doing the certain work, and then write your task and responsibility. What are the things that you have done during the working in the project? So just save it and again add a new section. And if you have more than one work experience, then you can simply uh, go to add work experience. If you want to add more experience, for an instance, if you had worked as a site engineer in certain related field and in the other field you have worked as a project engineer or any other thing, then you can simply add your work experience. Otherwise, you can simply add new section and you can add your education and training. And likewise, you can simply uh, fill up all these things and then just save. And similar manner, you can include all these things like communication and interpersonal skills, creative work, driving license, hobbies and interest, all of the things that you want to add in your CV, then you can simply add it from here. So after that, after filling all the desired related things in this format, then you can simply go to next. And after clicking the next, you can simply get to choose the template of which you want to make your CV. So if you want in this form or if you want in this form, it will automatically get changed into this form. If you want, there are 4 templates that we got to choose, and there are also the color format. If you want to choose this color, then the your format will be changed. As we can see, you can simply select any format or any format, and we can see that there is the Europass watermark. If you want to remove this Europass watermark, then you can simply add Europass logo, no. Then if you're gonna click no, then your Europass logo will be deleted. So by this way, you can simply click on to next and then choose your name of your Europass CV. For an instance, I am gonna choose CV, and then you can select the format. If you want this in PDF format, then simply click on PDF and then download. After downloading, you will get your desired. Okay, I am gonna download and show to you. After downloading, then you are gonna get your desired CV in this format, and this is one of the most used format all across the CV and all across the Europe and all over the world. So I hope you can just make your CV using the Europass. So if you get any confusion related to making the CV procedure, then you can simply comment comment below so that I can help you further. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and stay safe and keep on smiling guys. Bye.